Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily convert any book or document from the RB format to any other format, EPUB, PDF, Word document, LRF, etc. So there are plenty of formats which you can choose to convert to. To begin, open your browser and type Calibre. We'll be downloading a little software. Here under Calibre ebook management, click on download. As a next step, choose the system which is the software which is matching with your operating system. As I'm a Windows user, I'll choose the Windows. Click on download Calibre so that the download begins. Once the download is over, just install it as you do with any software. It's straightforward. If you don't know how to install it, just check our video below in the description where we show how to install it. Once the installation is done, you can go ahead and open the software. As a next step, locate your document, click on it and drag inside the Calibre. Once the reading is done, you will see your document like this. Right-click on it and select Convert Books, Convert Individually. Change to the format which you wish, PDF, PDB, etc. For the purpose of this video, as an example, I'm going to choose RTF. And hit OK if you are done with editing the details. You will need to wait. Sometimes this error will appear, so you will need to try again so that the error gets solved. So once done again, if the same error appeared, just retry again, because sometimes it happens when you are trying to convert only to RTF. This error doesn't happen with any other kind of documents. So once done, right-click, select Save to Disk, save in a single folder, select the folder, choose the file, select folder, and wait. And as you can see, guys, here I have an RTF document which has been saved, and sometimes it adds even an additional folder, and in this case it added .opf. Now you can go ahead and close your software as no longer needed. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.